Hey everybody, how's it going? Monkey Gamer back here again, and we are picking straight, like, right off the bat, straight after where we were. Because what we're going to do is we're going to gather up fruit. A lot of fruit. Hello little dudes. They blush! Oh my god, I didn't notice that. So yeah, we're going to gather up a lot of fruit, and we are going to pop that, we're going to pop some Gordos. So we need fruit and veggies by the shit ton. Hey, honey rocks. Oh shit, we can get some more stuff. Yay. Because I'm starting to think I need a lot of things to maintain this goddamn place. Now, I actually wonder, seeing as they did do like a whole... Seeing as there was an area that connected onto that one over that way, I wonder if there is a area that connects onto the other one back there. I just love the fact that they let that be a thing. Like, that makes shit so much easier. Hey guys. But yeah. I seriously can't wait for future updates. So many things I can do. A few things I wish they'd improve on. Gun upgrades. Need more of them. I know that might sound greedy, but when you think about it, 1 or 2 more slots could be the difference between finding a gold slime and getting its plort and having to throw away a slime you've wanted for a while. Like, look at this guy. He's so cute. 2 red, and oh wow, hunter claws look kind of cool. 2 hunter. Thanks, hunter. I don't need chickens. But yeah, like, if you guys who make this game could please add in an upgrade, like the increasing how much you can hold. Good idea. Really useful. But if you could increase the number of tanks you get, that would be amazing. Just like 4 at the moment, not enough. I know there's a 5th, which is for water only. Which is it's a good touch. But let's just purchase this. Yay, the grotto. It needs more to it, if you catch my drift. Oh wow, there's a place under construction over here. Holy shit, there is gonna be a lot more to this than I thought. This is new. Don't think I ever seen this before. I haven't. This is entirely new. And looks like it does nothing, but it can go somewhere. Eventually. This episode we're gonna go for the rock Gordo in Indigo Quarry, so we need a shit ton of veggies. Oh shit, that's the moon. You might want to adjust your moon. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be like that. Because I'm pretty sure if your moon is somewhat opaque, not opaque, see-through, you know, has little opacity, it kind of means bad things. Hey, big dude. Oh, you're sitting on a teleport pad. Okay, so that is 40 down. He's not shaking. God damn it. Forget how many of these guys take to eat, take to boom. Carrots. Gordo. Okay, he's eating 55 carrots. And there we go. Shakes. Come on! There used to be carrots growing in here, what the hell? It might be only a couple away, so... 1, 2, 3, 4... Fuck you. Come on. There we go. That was a lot more than I anticipated it to be. Let's just suck these guys out of the way. Q-berry, I need those. You guys can go hang over there. Heartbeats, I'll take those. Nope. To the teleporter. Oh, okay. So that one leads me back there. Interesting. Hey, I got Q-berries. Do I want to take them? Yeah, why not? What's up, dudes? So I got pogo fruits, I got Q-berries. Got money. I do actually wonder how slime physiology works. Like, being a biologist, it would be interesting to learn. It'd also be interesting if I could make my own game, but no, I don't have that kind of skill. Pretty sure the honey dude's over here? Except slimies. I kind of want to make a game that's like Slime Rancher, and the fact that you're on another planet, there's things you find which you can research, combine, and shit like that. There he is. Someone just exploded. That's guitar music, good to know. Oh, he's getting there. Oh shit! Oh shit, he's pissed! Shit, wrong way. Yeah, feral slimes. It's hard to be. Ah, that makes sense. That actually explains why the one I had attacked me when I first formed it. It's because it's feral. Aha, I made it. I would have laughed if I was actually just a bit short and fell into nothing. Hello, shit ton of phosphor slimes. What are you guys hiding over here, Other than a shit ton of phosphor slimes. Holy crap. Perhaps the most I've seen in the area. Boom, slimes. Oh, I'm back over here. Here's where I found my first hunter. Let's see if I can find another. No, that was a tabby. That was just something flying. That was a hunter! Need the fruit. But I can't be bothered walking. Cannonball! I actually wonder if they'll add in like another aquatic slime. Thank you. because that will be interesting to see if they do. Okay, we'll just get some chickens and some of the enclosures. That's enough. There we go. You guys will have chickens. Now, how's Hunter doing? Hey, buddy. Oh, you want that chicken? Yeah. Here you go. Oh, wrong thing. Here you go. I put a chicken in there for you. Be happy. Who else out of my guys eats meat? What are you guys? You guys are fruit and veggies. You guys are just a shit ton of chickens. You guys are just fruit and veggies as well. Okay, yeah, so I need more gardens as well. What else I can do? Just quickly. Bam. Boost energy to 200, so that means I must have got 50 in the tanks now. Wait, what? What? This was not here last time, because it's still under construction. Well, they expanded it a little bit, because last time I'm pretty sure this was a wall. God, I'm still finding things I haven't seen. Okay, so I've already fed it like over fucking 50 things. Got another 23 here, so hopefully he can burst. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I'm that close? Someone just exploded. That guy's dead. Hunter slime! Hunter slime! Yay! I got me another hunter slime! Yay. I'm actually happy about that because I love hunter slimes. Like, out of all of them, hunter slimes definitely my favorite. Okay, so I got another 5 things. Maybe that will be enough to make honey Gordo go boom. Hopefully. I think what it comes down to, like, if I could, I would just make an entire ranch of hunter combos. I just need the plots. Yeah. Huh. I might make like that little side area, which is good for growing things, have a few more varieties of hunters in them. Just because hunters are badass. Like, sure, they look adorable, but still, I don't want to meet a Largo of them, because they'll probably try to kill me. Hey, here we go. Honey slimes for days. And another slime key. Why do we need so many? What are you planning, game developers? Come here, honey slimes. Mine. That is adorable. Be free, my honeys. I'll take the heartbeat. Whoop. And we're back. Got 2 slime keys. Really need to get stuff for you guys. You guys eat veggies, right? Yeah, fruit and veg. Buck bugger? What the fuck? What kind of achievement is that? Holy crap baskets. What's up, dudes? You guys eat fruit. Right, so you guys are gonna be the fruit guys. You guys have got chickens 4, so that's plus. Hey, run. Just what I needed. I got you a roommate. This is Radda. Runt and Radda. Bam. I actually want to see what those achievements entail me doing to get. Did I put the heartbeats in there? Yeah, I put it. Hey boys. Anyway, I've done all I can in this episode. Got 2 bursted, got us another Rad Hunter slime. So, this is Monkey Gamer, signing out. Catch you guys next time. And hopefully next time there'll be a lot more to this.